to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is your Sifu JJ. Today lesson, the BroadSword for beginner. Let's go. Welcome back. So in today's lesson, we have 4 basics BroadSword technique. First one is your right hand to hold your sword flat and your left hand palm in the left. 1. Your right sword touch your left shoulder and go around, protect your head and open it and cut. So your left hand at the same time go up. So do one more time. 1 left shoulder and 2 at the back and straight cut. Once you go twist, hand toe is a protection movement. The technique you have touch your shoulder, touch your back, come back this way, and once you cut, you say from your BroadSword this way, so it's safe. You stop on your left side and same time you twist. So your sword is more to protecting movement. So like this, very important. You got to always touch, always have to touch and cut like this way. Right, so let's to connect the next movement with the kick. Go left and back. Once you cut and twist, and your sword come back, your both hand open, and you go a kick. When you kick, your body lean back, and you go open your head, so you can kick very high, you can kick very strong. 1, 2, 3, and kick. And we stop. Boom, kick, and your sword come back. Touch your back and come back. Full speed. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, shot. This is 国脑刀. Your sword, come back, right shoulder, your back, around your head, and come back, like this way. So, cut flat, bend your elbow, relax your hand, just get back, and turning, and come back. So, 1, 2, relax, boom, straight. With the weight training, you can make it faster. Boom. You say 1, cut, relax, and quick come back. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So very important, same like your 缠头, your sword should be touched and come back to cut. The same thing when you go back this way, and you should touch your back. Come back your left shoulder and come back. Continue for the next little part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you finish with this one, you got to turning same time. You cut and big cut, and you make steps. Then your sword, same thing. 国脑, come back your back and left shoulder and step. Your left hand right here, your right hand to prepare on your waist, and you go push palm. Then to make low stance called bow stance. You go back, turning. You got to make your arm straight. You turn with your sword, this blade that go outside. Boom. Really cut big you can, and, and make a quick turn, go back, circle, straight, and 4. Ready? Your right hand hold your sword and your left hand, so you make your left step this way. So 1 left shoulder and 2 and back, so you go cut. After you go kick and come back, your right back, left shoulder, and come back. Then repeat 缠头. 1, 2, 3. Both hands cross like this, and you're ready for a big cut and turn. Then you get back and come back. So you make a step. Yeah. Last pose.